Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys take advantage of our free consultation that we offer, where you can send me a few pictures of your property and get your own personalized video presentation with a bunch of ideas on how to get the most bang for your buck out of your landscape lighting design. So to get that, go and either check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
So another question I get asked all the time is why low voltage landscape lighting, and it's really simple, and I can give you all the cookie cutter answers like security and all this kind of stuff. But basically, it boils down to, people spend $60,000, $100,000 on landscaping, even if it's $5,000 or $6,000 on landscaping. But as soon as it gets dark out, all that landscaping is wasted. And if you really want to make your yard stand out and you really want to get your neighbors to talk, that one of the biggest things I found is adding landscape lighting to that, just to go and highlight those trees. And if you're going to spend that much money on landscaping, to go spend an extra $1,000 or $2,000, especially if we can show you how to do it yourself and save a little bit more money by doing it yourself than going and hiring a professional. And don't get me wrong, a professional is going to do some things that as a do-it-yourselfer you might just not think of or might not be able to do. But if you want to go and just save some money and put it in yourself and really enhance your landscape and make it look better, and really that's the reason for landscape lighting is I'm not going to give you the cookie cutter answers of security and all that kind of stuff. It's to make your yard pop. It's to make your landscape stand out. That's why we do it. I love the look of it, and I know that so many of you guys do, and that's why we want to help you save money so that you can go and do it yourself but still do it using good quality materials and teach you how to do it right. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools of how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.